Hello everyone, it's Hannah, and in this video I'm going to show you how to work the Crochet Crumpled Griddle Stitch. And I am using the yarn called Sugar Bush Chill. It's a size 6 super chunky yarn, and I'm using a 9mm crochet hook. For this stitch, you want to start with a chain of any even number. And for this practice swatch, I'm going to chain 10. To start the first row, we're going to start with a single crochet, and we're going to start in the second chain from the hook. So insert your hook into that second chain, then pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That's your single crochet. And now we're going to work a double crochet in the next chain. So yarn over and insert your hook, then pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through your last 2 loops. And we're going to continue to alternate single crochet and double crochet to the end of the chain. So our last stitch should be a single crochet into that last chain. And after you work your last single crochet, then you're going to chain 1 and turn. So in the second row, we're going to keep alternating single crochet and double crochet. So you're going to start with a single crochet right into the single crochet that you worked from the row below, and then work a double crochet into the top of that double crochet. So you're always going to be working a single crochet on top of a single crochet and a double crochet on top of a double crochet. And when you get to the end of the row, you're going to end with a single crochet again and chain 1 and turn, and you're just going to keep repeating row 2, working single crochet into a single crochet and double crochet into double crochet. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy making this stitch.